Juan and
I am Laura.
and today we are going to prepare a delicious fruit salad for you. First, we are going to talk about the ingredients, okay? So let's start.
Blueberries and raisins. We have papaya, mango, two bananas, a bowl of strawberries, red apple, and a green apple. We have cantaloupe, pineapple, heavy whipped cream, shredded coconut, sweetened milk, yogurt, one bowl, chopping board, and a knife. 1 glass bowl, 1 little bowl, 1 cup, 3 spoons, a apple cutter peeler, a big spoon, and a knife, and the last one, a chopping board.
Thank you, Laura. Now we are going to prepare our delicious fruit salad, okay?
Okay, this is my mom. Her name is Viviana.
Hi, nice to meet you.
My mom is gonna do the basic plus. Now my mom is gonna peel the mango. My mom is gonna peel the banana. My mom is gonna peel the papaya. She's gonna take the seeds off of the papaya. Now she's gonna take off the seeds of the cantaloupe with a spoon. Now she's gonna peel the pineapple. Now she's gonna use the apple cutter to get off the card out of the apple. The hole. Now she's gonna dice the apple. Dice is cutting squares the apple. Now she's gonna dice the pineapple into squares. Now we put the fruits in a big bowl. Now she's gonna dice the cantaloupe into squares. Now she's gonna dice the papaya into little squares. Now she's gonna wash the chopping board. Now she's gonna dice the mango and take off the seed. Show you the mango seed. It is big. Later, she's gonna dice the banana into squares. Now, she's gonna slice the strawberries. Slice means to cut in little pieces. My mom chopped all the fruits. My mom put a little bit of the fruits into another bowl because it was getting too big. We're gonna put the shredded coconut into the bowls. Then we're gonna put the raisins into the bowl. And we're gonna put the last one, the blueberries. We're gonna sprinkle the shredded coconut into the bowl. Then we're gonna get the blueberries. We're gonna get 2 big spoons of blueberries and sprinkle everywhere. This one is almost gonna be unfull, so we're gonna put everywhere. Thanks. We're gonna get the whipped cream, heavy whipped cream, and spill it everywhere. We're gonna get a little cup of yogurt and spill it everywhere. Next, we're gonna add the sweetened milk and spill it everywhere. Next, we're gonna mix. Our fruit salad is ready. I hope you enjoy it.
Everybody, I want to say thank you to Viviana and to Laura because they are the ones who prepared this delicious recipe. I hope you enjoy it at home. You want to say something, Laura?
Thank you.
Okay, see you in our next recipe. Bye bye.
Bye.